Elon Musk's controversial Neuralink is ready to test its brain chip implant on humans.
Elon Musk's brain implant startup Neuralink is recruiting patients for a clinical trial.
Elon Musk, the CEO of companies like Tesla and SpaceX, is venturing into a new area: restoring vision for people who are blind. His company, Neuralink, is developing a device called Blindsight, which aims to help individuals regain their sight. This device has recently received special approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, signaling its potential to change lives. What is Blindsight? Blindsight is an innovative experimental implant being developed by Neuralink, aimed at restoring vision to individuals who have lost their sight, whether due to injury or disease. Unlike traditional bionic eyes, which attempt to replace or restore functionality to damaged eyes, Blindsight takes a different approach. Instead of relying on the eyes themselves, it directly targets the brain, specifically the visual cortex, which is responsible for processing visual information. This means the device bypasses the eyes entirely, using a more direct neural approach. The potential of Blindsight is remarkable because it may help individuals who have lost their sight in both eyes, even when their optic nerves are completely damaged or severed. Typically, vision loss occurs when the optic nerve, the crucial pathways for visual information, are damaged. However, as long as the visual cortex is undamaged, the Blindsight implant can stimulate the neurons there to create a form of sight. In other words, Blindsight might even help people who are blind from birth, providing them with the ability to see for the first time, offering a whole new world of possibilities. How does it work? Blindsight works by directly stimulating the visual cortex, which is a complex region at the back of the brain responsible for interpreting visual data. To achieve this, a tiny device called a microelectrode array is implanted into this area. This array is made up of very small electrodes that can communicate with the neurons in the visual cortex. When the electrodes are activated, they send electrical signals to the neurons, which in turn generate visual sensations for the person. While the resolution of the images won't be as clear as normal vision at first, these signals are enough to provide the user with an understanding of their surroundings. The technology behind Blindsight aims to assist those who have lost their vision entirely, even if their optic nerves are no longer functioning. The key to this is the visual cortex, which can still be functional even when the eyes themselves are not. For individuals who have been blind from birth, this could potentially offer the first experience of vision, making it a groundbreaking step in neurological and medical science. Researchers are excited about the prospect of restoring sight for people who never had the chance to see, expanding the possibilities for rehabilitation and enhancing quality of life. The Blindsight device utilizes advanced bionic eye technology, designed to help completely blind individuals gain a new form of sight through a combination of wearable glasses and brain-computer interface technology. The user wears a pair of glasses that have embedded cameras capable of recording images of the environment around them. These cameras act as the eyes for the individual, capturing all the details of their surroundings and converting them into a data stream that can be interpreted by the brain. Once the cameras capture the images, the data is transmitted to a smartphone app developed by Neuralink. The app processes the data and converts it into electrical signals that are sent to a microchip implanted in the brain, specifically the N1 chip. The N1 chip communicates directly with the visual cortex and sends out signals that cause the neurons to fire in a particular pattern. This pattern of neural activity translates into an image that the person perceives, though initially it may be in a basic form of white dots or low-resolution visuals. As the technology improves, the hope is that these images will become clearer and more complex over time. By bypassing the damaged eyes and optic nerves, Neuralink's Blindsight technology creates a direct connection between the brain and the external world, enabling the brain to receive visual information once again. This type of brain-computer interface could revolutionize how we think about sight, pushing the boundaries of both technology and human ability. Also, there are some notable tweets from famous individuals regarding Elon Musk's bionic eyes and Neuralink's Blindsight technology. First up, Elon Musk tweets about Neuralink's Blindsight technology reveals his ambitious vision of the future. Musk described the technology as the next product after telepathy and mentioned that while the resolution of the implant is currently low, similar to early Nintendo graphics, it could eventually surpass normal human vision. This tweet underscores the immense potential and ongoing development of the device, especially with its success in early trials with monkeys. Tim Urban, known for his blog Wait But Why, expressed his excitement about Blindsight by imagining its future capabilities. He suggests that the technology could grant humans superpowers, such as the ability to see infrared or ultraviolet light, emphasizing the extraordinary possibilities of enhancing human vision beyond natural limits. Urban's tweet highlights the fascination and optimism surrounding the technology's potential. However, not all reactions are purely enthusiastic. AI researcher and podcaster Lex Friedman cautioned that the implications of Blindsight are profound, particularly in how it could restore and even enhance sight. Friedman's tweet stresses the importance of approaching such advancements with caution, especially when considering the ethical challenges they pose. His perspective reflects the necessary balance between technological progress and reasonable consideration of its impact in society. These tweets collectively reveal a range of responses to Neuralink's Bionic Eye project, from excitement about its potential to concerns over the ethical and societal implications. As Neuralink continues to develop its technology, the dialogue surrounding its possibilities and risks will likely intensify. Initially, the vision provided by Blindsight will be low resolution, similar to Atari graphics. However, Musk anticipates that the technology will eventually surpass normal human vision, potentially allowing users to see infrared, ultraviolet, and radar wavelengths. Neuralink is currently seeking participants for its PRIME study, a clinical trial for its brain-computer interface, which aims to enable individuals with quadriplegia to control digital devices with their thoughts. In early 2024, Neuralink successfully implanted its device in a human patient, who has since been able to play video games and online chess using the BCI. While the potential benefits of Blindsight are significant, it's important to consider the possible risks. The surgical implantation of the device carries a significant risk of brain injury or infection. Even minor surgical errors can result in serious complications, including inflammation and potential long-term neurological damage. Also, there is a risk associated with the precise placement of the electrodes. Misplacement could lead to ineffective functionality of the device and additional health issues. There has been limited research into the long-term effects of brain-computer interfaces on human health. This uncertainty raises concerns about unforeseen consequences that may develop over time, such as chronic pain or neurological disorders. The procedure for implanting the Blindsight device carries a low but significant risk of severe outcomes, such as stroke or even death, particularly if complications arise during surgery. Though rare, these potential risks highlight the need for careful consideration of the surgery's dangers. One of the key concerns surrounding Neuralink's technology is privacy invasion. The ability of BCIs to read thoughts and memories raises serious questions about the security of such sensitive data. Unauthorized access by governments or corporations could lead to its misuse, infringing on individuals' rights and freedoms in ways that are difficult to foresee. Additionally, BCI's enhanced capabilities might lead to dependency or addiction, as users may become overly reliant on the technology for everyday functioning. This could result in feelings of inadequacy or depression if they struggle to return to a normal life without the device, affecting their mental well-being. From a cybersecurity standpoint, the direct interface between BCIs and brain activity introduces new and unique challenges. The potential for hacking into such devices creates unprecedented risks, allowing malicious actors to manipulate thoughts or actions, which could have severe consequences. Finally, the ethical implications of merging human consciousness with technology are profound. Issues of consent, autonomy, and the potential for exploitation must be addressed before such technology is widely implemented. These concerns raise critical questions about how we balance innovation with human rights and dignity. Elon Musk's Neuralink is making significant strides in developing Blindsight, a device that could restore vision to those who have lost it. While the potential benefits are immense, it's crucial to carefully consider the associated risks and ethical implications. As this technology progresses, it will be important to balance innovation with caution to ensure it serves the best interest of those it aims to help. Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.